At the restaurant. A memorable dining experience. Order and enjoyment.
Good evening, sir and madam. Welcome to our restaurant. My name is Michael, and I'll be your waiter tonight. How may I assist you?
Thank you, Michael. We're ready to order. I'll have a refreshing iced tea, please.
And I'll have a virgin mojito, please.
Excellent choices. I'll bring those right out. Now, would you like to start with any appetizers?
Yes, we'll have the bruschetta, please.
And I'll have the caprese salad, please.
Great selections. And for the main course?
I'll go for the chicken Parmesan with a side of garlic mashed potatoes.
I'll try the vegetable stir-fry with tofu, please.
Wonderful choices. Any additional requests or dietary preferences?
Could I have a side of steamed broccoli with my chicken Parmesan, please?
And can you ensure that the stir-fry is gluten-free?
Absolutely. I'll make sure to inform the chef. Now, any desserts to finish off your meal?
We'll have the classic tiramisu to share, please.
And I'll have a fruit sorbet, please.
Perfect. I'll bring those to you shortly. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, thank you. We're all set.
Yes, thank you, Michael.
You're welcome. I'll be right back with your drinks and appetizers. Enjoy your dining experience.